Darcy or I can tell you if we can take them out. Like this one is pretty much trash. But essentially we have to clean up everything. Now, what to stay away from for right now? This whole edge that we see here where the pole is, this bolt, this is RR3 and next to it is QQ3. We're going to leave that alone because there's really large pieces of pottery that are probably going to have to go into a basket. So, do you know what pottery is yet?
Yes.
Okay, so you've seen pottery sherds so far. So in general, like when you're in the squares, we will be probably taking pottery and putting them in baskets. But for the most part, all around the edge, probably not. It's probably just going to get swept up. All right? Everybody good?
Yes, I have a question.
Yes.
So when you say like we might have to keep rocks, like what size of rocks? I mean, 'cause there's rocks everywhere.
Well, so if you see this is a wall.
Okay.
We're not talking about like this. It's just on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what my question
this is
was.
garbage. Now, you might actually find something, a rock that's not a rock. You might find slag. I don't know if you heard about all the slag that's up here.
Yeah.
So if we find some slag, I'll pass it around and show people. If you find basalt, we might keep that. I'll pass it around and show people. So,
Okay.
all right. We're also going to need.
Sorry.
What you gonna say?
I was gonna say two things. Don't touch these with your bare hands.
Oh, there is
Passive
that.
plant, poisonous. We talk about it a lot. Up here, there's a lot of small ones, so the birds definitely don't pull those ones out. You heard about the seeds from which are red points. Some of them are. Yeah, don't talk about it. Some of them are loose. Some of them might move. If they move, tell us, because we need to know. And don't pull them out for now.
Yep. That's good.
Don't trip over them either. Just watch where you
I'm gonna also get a couple of Tarias and probably show some people how to basically hook some of this stuff up. But for the most part, what I would say is people should go down and probably start working on this middle area, which is called row 1. The way to walk is just to come down this way. Watch yourself. There's a lot of pottery and rocks. Come in, and we'll collect all of this. All of this has to go. And if somebody wants to go around and flip things, they can do that as well. So, but find a spot, start working.